Let's set up some promotion assets, formerly known as promotion extensions, to get more customers and clients through the door. Timestamps below, along with some other helpful links and resources, including a link to our Google Ads playbook to help you get up and running with the rest of your campaign settings, including a detailed audit checklist to help you boost your conversions and how to actually start to cut your costs per click. Now, when it comes to promotion assets or promotion extensions, the whole point is there's a holiday, so we're giving you a discount. That's pretty much exactly what this is designed to do. So choose whatever holiday makes the most sense and then provide some sort of discount. This could be a bundle deal or some sort of % off, but essentially we're giving them a deal because it's some sort of specific holiday. Now, you don't actually have to choose a holiday, and it's okay if the holiday has nothing to do with your business. It's pretty much just an excuse saying, hey, it's St. Patrick's Day, so here's 20% off, right? It's just how retail has developed and worked. So when it comes to setting these up, Google actually has a lot of different ones for us to choose from. So let's jump into the ads interface and choose a holiday. So we'll come in here to, of course, ads and assets, probably sick of hearing that by now. So we'll go ahead and click the blue plus button, come down here to promotions, and I'm going to go ahead and do this at the campaign level because I want this to be specific to an offer that's being promoted in this campaign. So I'll go and click on done. So we'll go ahead and click to occasion. You can see here we have all sorts. Of course, pick whichever one is closest, and depending upon what time of year you're doing this, just make sure you have a basic understanding of what this holiday actually is, right? Because some of these, it probably wouldn't actually make much sense to do, but I will leave that up to you. To keep things simple, I'll go ahead and click on none here. I'll select monetary discount up to % discount, and then I'll go ahead and select 70. So what's cool about this, and every retailer does this, but whatever is in terms of your ethics per se, is a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll find one offer, they'll make it the super crazy discount, and then you'll say up to 70% off this particular item or type of item, and then maybe just do a 40 or 50% discount on everything else. And pretty much every Fortune 500 retailer does this. So it's really cool because you can say up to 70% off, even though only one item is actually 70% off. I know when I say it out loud, it sounds terrible. And then you think about every store you've ever shopped at, and that's literally what they do. So you might as well enjoy the consumer psychology for yourself. So we'll go ahead and click on item here. I'll just say men's watch overstock. And then for the final URL, I'll just drop in a random one here. I'm just using men's watch overstock as a example. So if you could do sale or discount or overstock, some sort of word in addition to whatever is being offered to show that to help explain that it's a discount. So in this particular instance, I'm saying overstock. Probably isn't. I mean, you go to overstock.com, a lot of that stuff isn't actually overstock. They're just selling it there. And so we just use these phrases to help reinforce the message that this is a deal and it's a limited time. Of course, do make sure it's a limited time. I think that's probably where the ethical line is for most people. So we'll come down here to promotion details, and you can optionally add a promo code. So I'm going to add one here so you can see. Personally, I'm not a fan of promo codes because then when someone doesn't remember the promo code or someone hasn't seen it, they go to the website, they're checking out, and then they see that promo code box. And we've all seen it. You go, wait, am I paying more than I should for this product? Is there a promotion someplace that I didn't know about? So I don't want our customers thinking that. So I tend to leave this alone, but I'll leave it here just so you can see what it looks like in the preview. And so then we'll come down here and we can display a promotion date. I highly recommend display a promotion date to add some real urgency to this offer. So in this particular instance, I'm just going to say it runs for a month. So now you can see it's valid from June 1st to June 30th. And then finally, we have to set up our scheduling. So this is a little weird where let's say we were doing Mother's Day or something like that. I actually don't remember if that was on there. St. Patrick's Day, I know that was there, right? So let's say we're doing a St. Patrick's Day special. Well, Google isn't going to automatically make your ad run only during St. Patrick's Day week or weekend. So we do have to set these dates and make sure that we're not saying, hey, 70% off for St. Patty's Day, and it's like December, right? So we'll go ahead and add our start and end dates the same as the valid date. That way we don't have invalid promotions running. And hours of the day, I would go ahead and leave those alone. So I'll go down here, click on save, and then we can come over here to promotions to see our list. You probably want to check in on this at least once or twice a month just to see how the promotions went. Make sure the ones that were ending actually ended on time and you didn't fat finger accidentally make it a month more than it should be. And then of course, over time, you'll see which holidays and what types of promotions begin to work the best for your business, product, and service. So thank you so much for watching. Sincerely hope you got some value out of this video. Most importantly, you're all set with your promotion assets. Make sure you check out that link in the cards in the description to our Google Ads playbook to help you with your keyword research, writing your ads, some other ad asset setups, as well as how to actually optimize your campaigns, those areas that you need to start looking at to reduce those costs per clicks while boosting those conversions. So hit that like button, subscribe for more marketing guides just like this one, and until the next, keep building the business you love.